It's really nice. This is KIGALI. Yeah. I have my charging devices. I think, well, yeah, we were at a party yesterday evening, actually the baptism party of the nephew of my colleague. It was really interesting, but I didn't film because I didn't want to film a private party. That just didn't seem really right to do. The most interesting part was that it was outside of the main city. So we rented a car, and you know, like, it's not a car, it's a wreck. The clutch is not working, the brakes work when you're lucky. I mean, everything is working to the extent that you can kind of drive the car, but nowhere near safe or anything. So we rented this car and we drove a little bit outside of the city. So I said, okay, fine, I drive, no problem. So I drove back. You know, the streets a little bit outside of the city, they are not made. So it was really interesting. It's almost like driving a safari car. And the safari car is like a wreck. And all your passengers are drunk. Let's say it was an interesting experience and nobody died. I actually had fun. So I have another unlocked achievement, driving a car in one. I can show you the car, we still have it, we still use it today, and even though nobody should use this car, to be honest, this car is an accident on 4 wheels. I think it has 4. Okay, so I think we get going, we visit somebody somewhere, and I think we are watching the football match later somewhere as well. So yeah, let's get going. I think my friends are charged enough. Peace. This car. And it makes funny noise. See? It always complains it always acts like it's getting stolen for some reason. Even if you're sitting inside and starting the car.
Actually, we used to climb there to go and plant trees, but also to just a bit of spot. That's called the Gisos.
The hill?
Yes, which literally means big hill. Yeah.
But it's not that big. Challenging is to film in this condition, because it's like, oops, down.
Camera should have a super special stabilization
It has.
system.
It has, but it's not enough.
So you thought your life was tough? Nice house, huh?
Well. So today we're actually trying to create some videos for the teachers and for their courses, and it looks kind of interesting. So everybody's trying to create small teaser videos for their courses.
Just like to come to class, you have to come like this.
just went for some Pokemon. Leaving the parking space is more like a fight. So we just came back from the city and I managed to play a little bit of Pokemon Go, but I really can't find this Africa regional. Like, I got one, but since we got trading now, I actually wanted to bring some more. It seems like it's not gonna happen. Like, I'm going home tomorrow and the only one that I caught more of, like 6 I think, is this bug regional from one half of the earth. So now I'm in my hotel room and I can freshen up a little bit and then we are going out for dinner later, I guess. That's it for now. Traveling home today, so we're having the last coffee. It's tasty. So we're waiting for the driver and then I don't even know if he can make it anywhere else than airport, for me at least.